All right, welcome back. Now we'll be talk about who you go blame if your boyfriend or husband cheat on you. Now the side chick or you go blame your boyfriend. But before we talk about we don't get too casual people we don't join us inside the studio. Talk, we're going international.
Yes.
So today you go hear some swing, plenty today. We get Fiona in the building, plus including Badmus, and then go tell you the things where they carry take join body today. Welcome, Fiona and Badmus. Fiona, which pigeon you sabi?
Sabi fine, is it?
How you dey, Fiona?
I did Kaja.
I just now Betiana teacher.
I go be very good
Teacher.
teacher.
Yeah.
I tell you. So Fiona, in Nigeria, second time or third time?
No, 7 times.
Seven.
Yeah.
You are a Nigerian already.
I know. I should know more.
So what do you love about Nigeria?
I love the people, and I love the culture, and I love the craziness of Lagos.
Oh.
So I come back here.
Yeah,
That's
you see, and Lagos, you guys are crazy. You said the craziness.
You know, for person to keep to the come back after 7 times. So just tell us, you miss where you from? They come when you enter Niger.
Yeah. Oh no. Do I miss? No.
Where are you from?
No. I'm Irish, but
Okay.
I live in London.
Oh.
But I definitely. No, I love it. I do love it. It does get after about maybe a month. It does get a bit wearing.
I know.
It does get tiring.
I know.
The traffic mainly is the main issue, but apart from that,
Fiona, you don't marry.
no.
So you go mind if you marry a Niger man?
Only if he's rich and.
Sister, give me 5. Yes.
That's what
Yes. If he's rich.
All right, you don't hear what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Except you're rich. Now if you
Yeah.
marry Fiona.
And maybe a prince.
Yeah, even better.
Even better.
Even better.
All right, before we actually go into the things we want to carry come give us, maybe we just know your own opinion concerning this one. If your husband or wife, your husband or boyfriend cheat on you, who you go blame, the side chick or you go blame your husband?
Husband, definitely.
Why?
Because they're the people person that you love the most and you trust the most, and why would they go and do that? I would never blame the woman. I think keep it to the man. Women should stand up. Women should be more standing together, though. I think there's not a lot of solidarity between women. There needs to be more. But I still definitely blame the man.
So you go forgive him?
No.
So that's the end of it?
End. Yeah.
Wow.
You know what, I totally go with Fiona
Yes.
because I be person who believe say the man by nature. Sorry, I no go with her. I dey confuse myself.
She said
I
she
no
go
go
blame
with
the
her.
husband.
She said she go blame the husband. I no go blame the husband. I go
Okay.
blame the side chick because I just feel say it did the nature of man to cheat. Now that one no go to say some men when no
I
go
know say you
cheat.
don't like that one.
No day.
But no one.
Sorry, make I just stop this one. That one no go to say men when no they cheat no day. But I just feel say it dey more in the nature of a man to cheat than it dey in the nature of a woman to cheat. Now I don't know the things where my husband or my boyfriend go don't tell the girl to make her stay, even at the time when she knows say okay inside the relationship or in don't marry and the girl still stay for inside there, I go blame the side chick. At the same time, I go still blame the side chick because hello, I don't see girls where be say that they won't die put for there, even when they know say the man don't marry. And I'd always they talk them too as well. Say if these ladies after knowing say okay this man they relationship or he don't marry, if they say no, then the man no go see anybody to take cheat on. If the women stand up to say no, I no do.
Exactly
he no
my
go see
point.
anybody to cheat on. So I no go blame the man at all. I no go blame him.
The only difference
But we
between me
talk to
and
the
your
man
partner
inside.
be say I thought I go blame
So what
the
do you think
husband
about
sef.
him?
Okay, in that case now, the question, they reverse them the other way.
Reverse
okay,
him.
If my wife or my girlfriend cheat on me, so
No, sorry, but before you reverse him, now if you cheat on your wife or
I
your
will never
girlfriend,
do that. I don't go cheat.
No,
now
in
calm
case,
down.
just for
okay,
example.
if your friend cheat on your wife or your girlfriend, who you go blame? You go blame your friend or you go blame the
The
side chick
girlfriend.
where you cheat with?
I go blame my friend.
Okay. So we are on
Why?
the same track.
The reason be say, I believe everybody, nobody, they don't they push person do what you know and do. You understand? No matter that kind of condition where you feel miss yourself, so there's always a time for you to say no and say yes. And I believe say that time where you dey talk calm, no be say you dream. That time where you see the lady they pass, where you dey admire am, no be say you dey dream. You understand? Or you dey on that spell. No. Now waiting you was for your mind. You understand? So I believe everybody should be able to pay for anything where they do or where they cost for themselves.
All right, you know what, for me, I hate that line where it talks say men are naturally promiscuous. I hate them because it actually gives the men the right to do what they do. Some men go do bad things, go talk say, but you know already that we are naturally promiscuous. Excuse me.
When that
We
man
all
talk
get.
that in a slap go follow.
Jesus!
Wetin be that? Why you go tell me so? No way.
I married second wife, but you know now, even everybody they talk and say men are naturally promiscuous. Excuse me, we all get the right to put hands for evil or to come out
right
hands from
thing.
evil. So if you decide on your own, talk say you want to cheat on your wife, now your own decision.
Exactly.
It's not to blame it on being naturally promiscuous.
No.
And also on the woman's side, I understand where they actually come in because now that they make themselves available. Now we want gender equality. How can we be equalized with the men when you, your own self, they actually cause badness to your own fellow woman? You carry person, your husband, you sleep with him, and you are happy about it. You are smiling. The man give me 1 million. That man give me 2
And then some
million.
go come tell you say all men are well. Whoever like will fetch water from inside.
You know what
I
the
hate
girls
that
where they out there,
talk.
they always talk. One thing where the girls where they out there, they always talk. Now be say married men, they more responsible.
They
Say
get more money to
yes,
spend.
Say they know before they ask, they know say yes, I need this one. So before I ask, him go give me. But no, why that mentality? If you know say
We need to
married man, they
change that.
responsible, go marry. Leave my husband for me. Wetin?
This one pay you well. This one pay you well.
No, you no pay me. I just dey joke. Actually.
And that is why in a way I go blame both parties. I go blame the woman where make herself available for the man to
And
use.
you go blame the man
and
wey go
blame
meet
the
her.
man where you get wife, you're married, excuse me. You get wife for house, you get carry ring for hand, but you decide to drop the ring, go sleep with another person.
Some women
I
too
blame
na
the man too.
karashika.
Oh, yes, now.
Hey.
That one's still there. All right, you wait there out there. Let us know your own opinion. Who you go blame, the side chick or your boyfriend or husband? Follow us on Twitter at Princess Uwi, at Bettiana, at Oluwa Skinpay.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry dey go,